What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel, what's the matter with you? We basically cousins now, we family, you're my best friend. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment down below. This video is going to be a finger wave hair tutorial for beginner friendly. I am not a professional or an expert when it comes to finger waves guys, so please bear with me. But I think I do try my best when it comes to doing finger waves. So I once posted a picture of me on my Instagram saying that I do finger waves at home by myself, and then someone asked me when am I going to drop a video. So I decided, okay, you know what, let me be a sweetie and hook you guys up. So I'll show you guys step by step how you can achieve finger waves at home by yourself. Let me just show you guys what you will need for this video. You will need this, this girly over here. I bought this mousse at Clicks. I'm not sure if Discam has it, but I'm definitely sure about Clicks. Clicks does have it, and I bought it before lockdown, I think in January if not February, yeah, around those times. That's when I bought it. And you'll also need this over here. I think you can get this anywhere. It's even cheap, like cheap. So yeah, so I relaxed my hair a few minutes ago. So you don't have to relax your hair when you want to do finger waves, because I had a little mini afro, but I just don't like it. Nah, I don't like it. So I just decided, let me just relax my hair and do finger waves. And you can even do finger waves with an afro. You just need to wash your hair and put conditioner, then you're good to go. All you need to do is you need to make sure that your hair is still wet and it's, you know, silky enough for you to do your finger waves, or else it's not gonna work. And don't say I did not warn you. Let's get right into it. So first things first, I'm gonna do a line here. Woo! Nothing don't need guys. Let me not be naughty. Oh my god, it's so cold. Woo! Yay! It's so cold. Oh my god. Ish. Fuck, I'm so clumsy, guys. I should have brought my towel. It's all good. So I just applied the mousse now on my hair. Oh my god, this thing must go on my face. I will die right now. Okay. Let's do this. So I just applied the mousse on my hair, and I'm gonna make like let me move my chair closer. Oh, I hope I didn't break that. Well, I don't care. So you can, I don't know how to explain it, but you can just make an S or a Z, whatever, but you just watch. This is what I'm doing. Okay. Yes, it's very easy, guys. Can you see? You just playing with your comb, to be honest. Okay, so this place I need to put mousse again on it, but can you see that? Can you see? I need to fix it a bit, but we'll get to that. Oh, guys, it's Friday, so a girl needs a drink. Guys, I'm so clumsy. It's not even funny anymore. Ouch, guys, I cut myself here, so I can't even. Oh my god. Ooh. Ooh, I can see the vision already, darling. This is so easy, guys. This is my go-to hairstyle. Like, I like it. It's just the relaxing part. Oh my god, like ufaki cream on my hair is just a no-no, to be honest. But it's not a big deal. Oh guys, I look so cute. Oh. Okay, so let me just fix that. Then you do this again. S for Civiwe. Yes. Can you see that? Ooh, darling. Yes, darling. Okay, so this was my baby, you know. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, one of my vision, guys. One of us, like, at least, guys. Like I said, I'm not perfect with this, but. Yes, can you see that? Guys, this is very easy. You see? Just did that. You don't need to go to the salon, you badala, what, 350, just do this, and this thing is only gonna last you for what, a week? I think that's another thing that made me learn how to do finger waves by myself, because I would always go to this guy to go and do my hair, and I was just like, yo, and he would charge me like 350 to do finger waves, and they'll last me for like a week max, and I'm just like, no ways, this can't be happening. But guys, can you guys see the sides? So I just need to fix the top part and the back. Let's talk about the back. You see the back, me? The back I just improvised because who cares? The back I just improvised because I can't see the back, so but the back I just always so play around with it. It doesn't have to be perfect because I honestly can't see myself, so it's all good. this thing at the back. Oh, guys. Ish. See, this one is a bit tricky because I really can't see, so okay, let me just make it go in one direction so that it's gonna be easy for me. I was actually supposed to do it on the other side, but let's see if it doesn't work on this side. Okay, no, it doesn't. Because I've already made my hair flat on the other side, now the S then is gonna start. Yeah. I'm tired. My arms are tired. So I can't see me, but I know that I need to do something like an S. So I'll just keep going and going. Yeah, I think, well, I can't really see my top, but the top part doesn't really matter, and the back part for me, to be honest. As long as the other sides are fine, I'm cool, you know. Yeah, let me do this side too. Just improvise. Just improvising at the back, shame. Because I honestly cannot see. But I think you guys get it, you know? So let's fix the top part. When I think about the top part all the time, like I always have to fix this all the time. It's not bad, right? But I just always want to make it perfect. Guys, this is so easy, like very, very easy. If you watch this and you still tell me you don't know how to do it, girl, you need Jesus Christ. Because this is very, very easy, guys. Super, 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 super easy. You can even do this with long hair, I think. Well, I don't know, guys, let me not lie to you, but I think you can. With the videos that I've watched, I've seen people with long hair that tried this, and it also looks nice on them because they would do the sides and then they'll curl the top part and it would look bomb bomb. So if I do decide on growing my hair, I'm going to be doing a lot of these because this can also help me to grow my hair. So another S. Ooh, wait. Okay. See how easy? Yeah, let me just do it again. So I went and joined it together. Yeah, I think it's fine. The top part is always tricky for me, I won't lie. It's always a bit tricky, but Okay, I'm also still new at this, so okay, I think this is it. But guys, I'm still in love with this side. Like, just look at this. Like, look at this. Look at this. Yo. So now I'm gonna put this wrap on and leave it for at least 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 to 30 minutes. So it's been over 30 minutes now, and I'm gonna take this thing off and show you guys how it looks. So excited. Oh my god, it's very nice. It's not bad at all. At least I tried. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do comment, and please don't forget to subscribe, and please let me know what you guys would like to see on my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in.